Again, better this time. Oh, lovely from Imam Ul-Haq. Again.
Just a little bit pitched. And down the ground from Imam, the 50 partnership. Fakar could be out. Is out, however. The batsman hasn't moved. Well, this will feel like a controversial moment if you're a South African supporter.
Surely not. Just as we're pumping his tyres up. Oh, glorious. Draw the offside.
Oh, he's got another one. Brilliant catch from Imran Tahir. Unbelievable. He's off on his run, and so he should be. That was sensational. It's a bit of a freebie, but they're bumping him out of wicket. No, over the head of Lungi Ngidi. This could be close. This could be a review. Let's see the top of the stumps, 133 for 2. Appeal and finger is raised, and Hafiz is history. Here comes a dread by Haris Sohail, and it's dispatched. That's good 50. He's worked very hard for it. It's his second in this tournament.
Going again. Not enough on it this time. Gone. Beautifully lifted away by Haris Sohail. This could be trouble. Oh, and it's gone over the top. 6 signals. Pulled away. Oh, over the top. Untaken. JP Duminy coming off the boundary. Got him. And Ngidi gets Wahab Riaz. Having a go, but he's top edged it. And a comfortable catch for Quinton de Kock. Oh, the director will do it, or not even. Oh, I think he dropped the ball.
He'll go upstairs to check. He might well have dropped it.
So a single will stand. Pakistan, 308 for 7.
Just missing the stumps out of it. Oh, massive moment in this game.
Timed it well. Down the ground for Du Plessis. Third boundary for him.
Oh my goodness me, the longest boundary here at Lord's. And oh, it caught it!
Oh, got him! Shadab bursts through.
50 comes up the fastest. Straight up, very high. Sunfraz calls for it. Difficult against the sky, takes it easily. Out, Cromwell, no! Gosh, no, he dropped it. Mohammed Amin. Such a clean strike. Oh, that's such a good hit. Down the ground, glorious cover drive from the left-hander. Oh, big! It sounded big. It's gone for 6. There's a chance. Who's going to call for it? Hafiz or Sarfraz? Hafiz says it's mine. And it's taken. Tumbling effort. The trick has worked. Shadab was brought in. straight. That's going to go all the way, I think. Yes, it does. Quality shot from Morris after a good boundary. Bowled him. Giving himself some room. Bowled him. That's been the game plan. Trying to get it to tail back at the left-handers, and he's done it with great effect this time. Brilliant again. From right on the crease, he gets the ball to shape on the angle.